Iba, sabi wala sa likod, kayo makaon.
Yay! It's 4:30. My flight is 5:30. It's our graduation tomorrow. Sleepy, I'm so sleepy. Yes, we're ready for tomorrow and we have parang kakasalang makeup kit and baon for the graduation. Yan. Ang dami kasing graduate. Mahirap nang magutom. Of course, we have money in here. Alright! Yay! Good morning! Okay na ka mo? Arang mo sa airport? Sige, sige. Okay. I-message mo ko kung makasakay na ka mo sa plane para mabantayan ko kung ma-book ko ka mo sa ano karon Grab.
Okay.
Okay, bye-bye. Yes! It's graduation time! It's for real! It's for real! Here our makeup and we have to start timer. 1 hour. Okay, we are done. And meron pa tayong natitirang. Tada! 1 minute! Sino naman may bagyo? Di ba? Mayo lang. Sagad-sagad si Manong. Thank you. Bye-bye! Yay! Oh, may graduate na siya! Kunin natin yung toga. Prof, ma'am, that's you.
9:30 na, magpipila pa tayo.
Oh, no! Left. Ay, yung right po. Wala na po kayong karugtong. Ay, ma'am. May mga numbers ba kayo? 687 ako. 6. Thank you. 687. 6 ano po kayo?
7 left.
Hindi, right ako. Pero bilang daw. Number ano kayo, ma'am? 688. Yes. Nice meeting you all. I came from Iloilo. Yeah, my vlog. 87. Ikaw po yung teacher namin sa airport. You're from Landbang?
Hindi po.
Oh, sorry. Kamukha mo lang. Feeling ko ka-classic ko yan sa report. Groupmate
Hindi po, ma'am. Sa stop lang po ako.
Oh, so...
Members of the school board, chairman of the committee of candidates, faculty members, candidates for graduation, parents, alumni, friends, and by virtue of the power vested upon me by the Board of Trustees, the 30th commencement exercises of current candidates is now officially open.
The school seal.
511 Bachelor of Science and BSc
with all the rights and privileges granted to me as President of Private Colleges, and by virtue of the power vested in me by the Technical Education and Skills Development Authority and the Commission on Higher Education for the academic year 2024-2025, I now declare you
One day we will be remembered. Ay, nauna ako.
Exceptional skills, dedication, and enthusiasm.
of Iris C. BTE, Major in Food and Service Management. Cum laude.
Iwa Benjamin G. Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, Major in Operations Management, cum laude.
Espirito Doni MC, BSBA Major in Human Resource Management, cum laude.
Irao RGS, Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management, cum laude.
Lozares Janine Carnetti, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, Major in Marketing Management, cum laude.
Martin John Kyle V, Bachelor of Science in Computer Science, cum laude.
Redondo Ross Sean G, Bachelor of Science in Criminology, cum laude.
Delia Shadeen Rose, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, Major in Human Resource Management, cum laude.
Anador Samantha Sophia Lee, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, Major in Financial Management, cum laude.
Bakian John Carlo, Bachelor of Science in Criminology, cum laude.
Marigay Annalyn S, BTE, Major in Food and Service Management, cum laude.
Moreno Jerry P, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, Major in Human Resource Management, cum laude.
Pulgado Luisito C, Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering, cum laude.
And to complete our Latin awardees, let us call on Villanueva Raymond M from AP Psychology, cum laude.
Nakasunod siya.
The course of Dr. B.
Dalang parent, masakang parent, masakang parent. As a graduate of Trimex Colleges,
I, P.C.
I, Ruby Rosa Bolivarona,
do hereby
solemnly swear
that I shall strive
to the best of my ability, that I shall strive
to the best of my ability
to support my alma mater
in the achievement
of
her convictions,
promote
unity
and congeniality
among my fellow alumni,
and contribute time
and effort
to the achievement
of
the Trimex Alumni Association. So help me God. I, Ruby Rosa Bolivarona,
a graduate of Chinese College,
a graduate of Trimex College,
do solemnly swear
before God
that I will be loyal
to my alma mater
in words and deeds.
in deeds.
I will always uphold
The purpose of my alma mater.
Protect her welfare
And interest.
and promote dignity
And
and good reputation.
I will always strive
To practice her standards,
meet her expectations,
expound her aspirations,
and
and bring her good name.
bring her good name.
I will always be a true Trimex.
Yes! Handa na! Woo!
Congratulations! Ipasa, di bala sa likod, kay makaon ko. Ipasa mo sa likod, kakain ako.
Never stop dreaming, keep reaching for the stars. Believe in yourself.
And real change starts with you.
No valleys, no sun, no space, no heartbreak, me from believing this, thanks to you. Woo!
Nakuha mo na sa sugaw karon. Hindi wala pa ko panyaga. PS Red, congratulations! Congrats! 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 Congratulations! PS Red, congrats! Congratulations! Congrats, 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 congrats! Congrats! Congratulations! Congrats, congrats, congrats po sa lahat! Congratulations! Congratulations! Ang haba ng pila, congratulations! Congrats, congrats, congrats! Yay! Finally! Congratulations! Pila na ako kay sir!
Ayaw kayo nakahapit ka mo sa akong yung channel. Kung bago pa lang ka mo dili, pindot ang subscribe button, pati ka ang lingganay, kag hindi pagkalimtin. Ruby Inspired!